Flowers and Associates Real Estate Investing, helping you achieve maximum returns through real estate. Here's just another project report. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
1252 Nicholas. We got the walls up. Floors are in. Floors look great. Laminate flooring. We putting the door in. The new door is in. We're in the finishing phase. This wall has been closed in. Now it has to be painted. This room is pretty much completed except for the quarter round around the edges. That gotta go around the baseboard. Additional room is pretty much completed. Putting a new baseboard in and a vent for this return here. Hallways completed. All the floors are done. The thresholds been laid. Back room floors been put in, painted. We pretty much finishing up. Probably maybe 1 or 2 days work to get most of the stuff completed. Most of the kitchen has to be done. Once the kitchen is done, then we'll be exiting out of this project. 1252 Nicholas, signing off.
If you would like to know more about how to receive 3 times the market rent for your properties, check out our free lessons at flowersandassociates.courses.